We want a lot of different.
I'm going to have to talk to him.
No, we want to double it.
Clear. Straight up.
Mass Air 101, clear to Boston. Very sweet. You got to get there for it. Have a way back there.
You gonna cook before you leave? Can I get some? No, I'll be home in a few. We get up about an hour. Space Cadet, give me up.
To go in this quarter, they need to score on this drive.
I mean, I hope she's okay. You know, I'm praying that she's going to be fine.
I'm sorry that I'm not there.
Don't lie to me, okay? You sound like one of my kids. Sorry. Hello?
Back to the hunt. Second down 9 from their own 3.
Elizabeth, get your bony ass
Welcome to
over
Boston
here.
Airport. This is arriving on flight
Don't hang up.
618 from Los Angeles. Your baggage can be claimed at carousel number 3. Please see a gate agent.
Security cameras in the whole house, except for the bedroom. Christy wouldn't go for that. Yeah, my pool cleaner's even gone rogue. She said, no, I'm serious. Yeah, it's jumping out of the pool on its own.
Passengers on flight 3598 to Manchester, New Hampshire, your gate number has been changed to gate A6. The flight will depart on time at 4:15 p.m. Passengers on flight 3598 to Manchester, New Hampshire, your gate number has been changed to gate A6. The flight will depart on time at 4:15 p.m.
Hello?
Hey, it's me. Just got off the plane. What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm picking up Johnny at school. I'm getting a sitter from the bus stop. Going back to the lab because we got completely slammed.
Sharon, they made an offer.
Big offer.
For all the rights to Night Traveler. You're talking about graphic platforms and
Virtual reality, algorithms, interface user stuff, I don't know.
That's amazing, Clay. Congratulations.
yeah. Oh, you know, it's a big deal. Yeah.
So, are you going out to celebrate tonight?
Celebrate? No.
Yeah, this is a big night for you. I just assume you'd want to celebrate with someone.
Not really.
So you're not with someone?
No. No.
There's nobody.
Hey, is that Dad? Can I talk to him? Hi, Dad.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
We did the parachute drill today. You put a
Yeah.
little parachute on your back, and I swear, my swim was like 100 times faster.
That's great.
Are you coming home?
Yeah. Soon.
I just want you to come home.
Well, this was the first one, wasn't it? No, I mean, what he's talking about.
Hi, Sheriff's me. Yeah, I ran out of juice. Listen, there's a flight.
It's Manchester. It leaves in about an hour.
Clay, you've been gone for over a year. I love you. But it's not that simple.
I'd like to see my son. So,
Your time's up.
I need more money. Hold on.
Please deposit.
shoot everybody? What the hell's happening? Who the hell knows? Yo! Don't use your cell phone! What? They did. Don't use your cell phone.
We've been trying, but you can't get a signal down here.
We need to get out of this airport right now before it burns to the ground.
Get out of here. We ain't going nowhere.
Is there a driver on this train?
Yeah, that'd be me.
Can we leave?
No.
Oh, no.
Central shut down the power. Emergency brakes came up, and this train can't move more than 50 feet.
Shit.
Well, we can walk.
Walk.
Walk? What? Ain't nobody walking.
What'd you say?
We can walk. I got maps of the system, and I got all the maintenance tunnels with the exits marked, and we can walk right out of here.
It's a brilliant idea. You're my new best friend.
You're gonna walk on the train?
Right now?
Are you crazy? What are you gonna do when the T starts running again?
Let's go. You don't want to come, you don't gotta come. I don't care.
Hey, you guys are idiots. We're safe right here. Only if this lasts less than 24 hours.
What do you mean?
The groundwater. The sewage workers pump out the groundwater. If nobody's manning the pumps, whole system floods. All of this will be underwater. You'll be forced into the terminal, back out in the streets, and if Boston's still burning, or if what he's saying is true.
Joe, listen, Joe, we're not going to be down here that long.
You
Whatever
wanna stay
this
here,
is,
you
it's
wanna
going to blow over. These things always do.
Yo. Can I come with you?
I'm not gonna stop you.
I don't even know
Yo,
this guy.
awesome. Yo, Deuce is
You
moving.
didn't know him.
Oh,
What are you
yo.
doing?
You think this is happening everywhere? Just here.
We'll know in a little while. We lose power. It means it's happening everywhere. Nobody's manning the power stations. Probably running for their lives like us. Wonder how many folks were on those things when it happened.
A lot. Too many, like everybody. And those that didn't get it the first time got zapped when they tried to call 911 to their families.
I'm Tom McCourt, by the way.
Clay Riddle. Good to know you.
Mike Matt. They call me DJ Liquid.
Keep moving.
Yeah.
I gotta get there. Kent Pond. My family's up there. I got a wife and son. You know New Hampshire, Kent Pond?
Yeah.
You got anybody you need to check on?
Yeah, my boo.
Did you say my boo?
Yeah, what you got, huh?
Come on.
Oh, my man, he done left me, so I ain't got nobody. I live alone.
Yo, I got service. What does that mean?
I don't know. Are they normal? They look normal to you?
No, you want to take that chance? What's happening?
What floor?
2. Okay, go. Go.
I think it's safe to text. I'm out of juice. I gotta text my family, see if they're okay. Can I borrow your phone, please? It's all jumbled up, scrambled.
Why don't you stick my phone in the freezer? Makes the battery last longer. Probably need it to check the signal. But don't make any calls. Should last for a few days. You draw all these?
Yeah, this is my graphic novel.
I was thinking about that poor kid down there in the tunnel. DJ, Liquid. God damn. No, if we're gonna survive just whatever it is, people are gonna have to put aside their finer sensibilities. If they can't, they're gonna die. You sound normal?
Are you normal? Okay.
I live upstairs.
Yeah, I've seen you before. I'm Clay.
Tom.
I'm Alice. I think you guys should close the blinds. I don't think that's smart. You guys should close the blinds. I don't think it's gonna be good if somebody sees us in here.
He's gonna close them. Tommy, close them. See, he's closing. Are you hurt?
What do you mean? Am I hurt?
Are you physically injured? Can I help you?
I killed my mom. I killed my mom. I want to get out of this dress because it really smells like blood and sweat and my mom's perfume.
Hey, girlfriend of mine, you have some jeans. I think they just about fit you. And I have pajamas. I have a plague of pajamas, so... Okay?
Yeah, I'm just tired.
Here, do you want to maybe... There's still some hot water if you want to take a shower.
Thank you.
Listen, Tom, I'm gonna head north to Kent Pond in the morning as soon as it gets light. I think you and Al should probably come with me.
Clay, real sorry about your family.
Don't be sorry because there's nothing to be sorry about yet. kid had a cell phone, but he never made calls. He just texted on it, you know, like games. But my wife, she had one, and I called her right before it happened when I met you. So I don't know if she was on it. I just want you to know I'm real glad I ran into you today, Tom. You okay?
Oh, I found these in your pocket. I hope you don't mind.
No.
Here, maybe drink something? Do you want something to eat?
If you guys go somewhere, can I come with you?
Hoping you'd say that.
Definitely.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and get some rest.
Yeah, we'll be here.
So, some kind of terrorist attack or some shit, you think?
I don't know, man.
Well, whoever it was. Us three are like bugs who had the dumb luck to avoid the stomp of the giant's boot.
Birds. They're acting like a flock of birds.
Well, I don't like it. I don't like this flocking thing at all.
I mean, whatever it is, I just gotta get to Kent Pond and find out about my wife and son. If you guys don't want to come, I totally get it.
Hold up, hold up.
Oh, shit.
I don't know. Should go back? Go back or we go right now?
No, go. You're not looking back. Go.
Where'd they all go?
Maybe we got lucky. They all dropped off, you know, when they lost the signal, like at the train station. Tom. I've always considered myself a pacifist. I wouldn't mind having a pistol right now.
Guys, I don't think that's a good idea.
I go in with my hands raised. I just say I want to talk. Maybe ring the doorbell. What's the worst that can happen?
I'm a black man with a crowbar. I'm not walking over there. Oh, that makes all the difference in the world.
Oh my God. Oh my.
Why'd you take care of Allison? We'll get what we came for.
Here, take this. What?
Look at you.
Basic training. Never forget. Grab some ammo.
How do you load these things?
Guys, there's someone out here.
What?
He's by himself.
Close the drape.
Hey, are you okay? Hello? Hello?
Kid. I guess they don't all travel in flock.
Fuck this!
Well, it looks like when the sun goes down, they're programmed to pack it in.
It was like they all did it together. Like it was an automated response or something.
You know what I don't get is how they all knew exactly where we were that fast. I mean, it's not like they were watching us or anything.
Not with their own eyes, anyway.
Not with their own... So you're saying when that kid saw us, they all saw us?
How else do you explain it?
So now they're psychic.
Telepathic. Like maybe the pulse flows through them like they're this big, organic, network.
Like a hive mind.
Yeah.
You got anything better?
What makes you think they're still there? I mean, no matter what or how it went down, don't you think they might have bailed?
They're safe. I would have left a message.
Lost most of my money in the great collapse of '08, and I lost my emotional stability in the great divorce of '09. You know, at the time, I thought that was the end of the world. Oh, what is that? You hear that?
Yep.
It's music.
Greetings, gentlemen. Miss, welcome to Gaydon Academy.
If you folks need a place to stay for the night, we have plenty of rooms. The boys who didn't have cell phones have all run off. The ones who did have them,
Well, we know about them.
I'm Jordan. I'm a scholarship boy. I lived in Holloway.
Good for you, Jordan.
Yes, sir. That's what the head said, too.
Charles Adai, headmaster. Quite a problem these cell phones have caused now, isn't it?
Huh.
The devil's intercom is what I used to call them.
Nice. Tapped.
What's with the music?
Did you ever play musical chairs as a child?
Yeah.
Well, as long as the music doesn't stop, we've got nothing to worry about. We'll have a quick peek, then we'll go over to Cheatham Lodge for dinner. It's not 200 yards from Tunney Field, I promise.
Holy shit. Is the music coming from their phones?
Don't worry, they won't wake up.
How can you be so sure of that?
Observe.
What the hell are you doing?
No, be still, be still. I could put my sword cane right through his throat and he wouldn't try to stop me. Nor would those around him spring to his defense. Of course, if I tried it in the daylight, they'd tear me limb from limb.
The music comes from their mouths, too. It's not hardly a whisper, but you can hear it.
Come here. Dude, that's gotta be your imagination. There's no way that they're actually talking.
Come listen.
I can hear it.
How's that even possible without a transmitter?
They are transmitting. It's a new skill they seem to have picked up. And they're changing at an alarming rate.
Can we please move this conversation inside? Please?
We cannot overestimate the developmental leaps we're witnessing here. They appear to be eusocial, like a colony of bees or ants. They act for the good of the group as a whole. There's no competitiveness, no selfishness. In fact, they may be the next stage in human evolution. Every human on planet Earth will be part of one giant organism.
No individuality, no privacy. Come on.
No war, no resource depletion, no conflict.
No, thank you.
As to what they're doing at night as they lie there so still, open-eyed and listening to their music, we think they're rebooting.
Yeah. I mean, they might as well have, software updating, please stand by, blinking on their foreheads.
You mean they had their brains wiped?
Well, yeah. I mean, what is a brain? It's just a big old hard drive. Organic circuitry. No one knows how many bytes. Like, giga to the power of Googleplex, let's say. An infinity of bytes. If your brain were an info strip on a hard drive, it would say something like 2% in use, 98% available.
Holmes, you was telling me.
I love cybernetics. Cyberpunk fiction, too. William Gibson?
Neil Stevenson, you like him?
Neil Stevenson is a god.
He's pretty good.
Right now, the nights are ours. But what happens if they decide that they need less sleep? What happens if they decide to grow against their digital lullabies? What happens when they're not afraid of the dark?
What are you suggesting?
I think what's happening now is more than temporary anarchy. I think it's the start of a war. It's going to be a short but extremely nasty one. But what does one do in a war? One kills one's enemies.
Well, even with the guns we have, it'll be slow work.
We have a gasoline pump at our little motor pool. Gasoline may serve to end their lives.
Oh, hold up. You want to napalm them?
We have a sprayer truck that we use to keep our playing fields very green.
I want to wipe him out. I agree with him. I think we should wipe him out. The ones on the soccer field. And I don't want to do it for the human race. I want to do it for my mom. As many as we can, as fast as we can. Before it's too late.
Are we sure we want to do this?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Let's go. I'm sure. Whoa.
Holy cow.
Do you like first-person shooter games?
Yeah. Pretty freaked out, huh?
I'm fine. How about you?
Freak City.
You having a problem?
No, it's great.
Put it in a lower gear.
Yeah, it's not like I've done this before, right?
Just put it in a lower gear.
Yeah, we were just putting it out on somebody's head or something.
Coming back.
You know you had enough of that to be DUI. You know that, right?
Yeah. But it won't really count. After the mass murder, you know.
No one knows better than me that you can't stop progress. But still, you're never too old to fight it.
Alex, you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Shit.
Aren't I? No! Help! Help him! Somebody help him! Tom! Wait! Help him! No!
What is that?
Yeah, I feel it too.
Feels like rage. We gotta go right now.
Do not withhold your mercy from us, O Lord. May your love and your truth always protect us. For troubles without number surround us. Our sins have overrun us and we cannot see. Our sins are more than the hairs of our head, and our hearts fail within us. Be pleased to save us, O Lord. O Lord, come quickly to help us. May those who seek to take our lives as this life was taken be put to shame and confusion. May those who desire our ruin be turned back in disgrace. May all those who say to us, "Aha, aha," be appalled by their own shame. For here lies the dead, the dust of the earth.
Nightmare?
Yeah. You too?
Yeah. Thought when you get older, the nightmares go away.
No. You still have them. They just grow up too.
There's this really creepy, disgusting guy in my dream. He was dirty, yellow teeth. He had on a red hoodie.
What?
Long hair.
Did he have a tear in his cheek? In my dream, he was poking my neck with a knitting needle and calling me insane.
In a red hoodie?
Pushed me in front of a speeding train.
The guy in my dream. That's the character from my graphic novel, you know, my comic book, The Night Traveler.
He's the guy in the drawings on your wall of your apartment.
Yes. He's a, you know, prophet of the apocalypse.
So you saw all this shit coming?
Hey, it's just a comic book, man, unless this is just all my goddamn dream.
I mean, you may have had it first, but You're definitely not the only one. It's getting dark. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to sleep no more. Koshwak equals no-fo. I heart Koshwak. What does that mean?
Maybe no-fo means no phones. Like a dead zone. No cell phone towers, so it's safe.
You can't assume that. It's too early to think we know the rules.
Open up! We're Americans!
Happy hour start yet?
Oh, company! You're cute. You're cute. You, sir, are very cute.
Thank you.
And you, my love, are to die for.
No phoners come through here?
Phoners don't like English food.
English people don't like English food.
Hey, I do, mister.
All right, all right.
What the hell's Cashwalk? Like, what do you guys think that is?
Oh, you know Cashwalk. Up in Maine. It's an unincorporated area they call TR-90. Cashwalk and Macalink. Everybody's going there. Everybody who hasn't been pulsed.
We're going. We're leaving tomorrow.
Thanks for letting us come in tonight.
We're happy you're here. We're really glad you're here.
You think Bob Dylan's a phoner?
So, there's no telephone songs on here. That would be like apropos, right? Like, Mr. Telephone Man, there's something wrong with my line. When I call my baby number, I get a click every. Oh, D2. D2.
That's like the devil of ego, right? Of vanity, of super individuality. But the other one was this one called Ahriman. And he was like the demon of big data, of numbers, of abstraction, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You with me? Yeah. You with me, Jeff?
Hell yeah.
When I came home from Vietnam, you know, I was lost, drifting, and somebody reached out their hand and they saved my life. They might be dead now, or even part of this flock that's trying to pull me in. All I know is that I didn't survive war and all the rest of it just to get pulled in by this fucker or the flock. You know, the first time I saw his face wasn't dreams. It was in his house. On the wall. You drew him.
I mean, I was the first guy to draw a devil on a piece of paper.
The devil.
Yeah.
How's it end?
I never finished it. I mean, it's like a serial graphic novel. It didn't really end. It was just a game and a story.
Just a game. Good always conquers evil.
I believe that.
You know, I saw you with your son once, too. And I always wanted that. Anyway, I saw you leave your apartment with that woman, and I just really hated that.
Liz?
Liz. Hated that.
It seemed like you were pissed at me. I never knew what was up with you. Give me that death stare.
Yeah. I give everyone the death stare. But I know you love your family. I've seen you with your son, and I know that shit happens with couples. Just... You're gonna find him, Clay. You're gonna find him.
You think?
You are.
We're traveling in the dark, and that was really, really dark for me. Because I had him, and I had her. I had some bullshit job that I hated, and doing graphic design for some stupid company. But I hated myself for not having the balls to do what I wanted, and I hated Sharon for loving me when I hated myself, and all these warped, convoluted feelings. Sometimes I get home from work and I change into my rock and roll t-shirt and I go to the barn and smoke weed and listen to Norwegian death metal like some teenager who wanted to blow up his high school. It's pathetic. And one day I just split and moved out.
And do you like being there?
First night I was there, I knew it was a mistake. Very first night. I called Sharon the day of the pulse. I couldn't tell her I missed her and I wanted to come home. I said, I want to see my son. See, I had to prove I was right. I had to prove that I was special, you know?
You probably just wanted her to be proud of you.
Well, it'd be great if that were true. I think I was just an asshole. Here. That's what you look like. Human beings are the religion of the angels. And that is an angel in exile. What do you think? Salad?
Grab my blanket.
Keep it over here. It's okay, lady. Okay. Grab underneath her. Help me bring her. Okay.
Or we could play the slinky.
I'm so sorry, buddy.
Tavern. They attacked at night.
I had said this would happen.
He also said they'd find new ways of maintaining their numbers. Saw what happened back there, right? They're not just killing anymore, they're recruiting.
The pulse is coming from their mouths now. They don't need phones anymore.
Well, well, well. The president of the internet said you'd be coming this way. And, well, here you are.
Who are you?
Why don't you put your shotgun down, my friend? I'll be happy to tell you who I am. I'm Ray Huizinga from Groveland, Mass. This young lady here, Denise Link from Haverhill, neighboring town.
Meet you.
But our names don't actually matter anymore. What matters? What matters is what we do. And what we do? We kill phone freaks. Yeah. Yeah, we kill them. Just like you.
The second time in Nashua, we used dynamite from a construction site shed. Ray knew how to rig the dynamite from when he worked on a road crew.
Yeah, that's when we started seeing those Cashwhack no-phone signs.
Cashwhack. They're telling people it's a no-phone zone, but that's a lie. The area got an Indian casino built there last year and finally put up a cell phone tower. The phoners are trying to draw us there in the dreams, but it's a trap.
Yeah, and the dream started coming after we blasted. I mean, we blasted. At first flock, we blasted them. You know, powerful dreams, like...
We've had them.
Oh, what's that phoner? The phoner in the red hoodie? They call him the president of the internet.
Yeah.
Got to be taken down. I mean, down like, right there. You've got to take him all the way down. You know what I'm saying? You take him all the way down, you kill him, you put him in here, and the rest they'll surrender, they'll quit, they'll stop this. But it's not gonna be easy. You know why? You know why? Because they get inside of people's minds. They get inside of people's minds.
They get inside your mind, Ray?
No, not in my mind, because I stay up. I've been awake, what, 4, 5, 6 days now? 6,
That's
yeah.
great.
True.
Right. She sleeps in there. I'm out here guarding. I'll pace all night. I'll be all over this park. Mary had a little lamb. She's my Mary. It's not my kid. Not my kid.
Oh,
She's my Mary. I'm looking after her.
Well, that's great. Sounds like you guys are in a good place.
Oh, yeah.
But you know what? We can resist as long as we stay awake. Staying awake is key. We just stay away from the flocks.
How you plan on doing that?
Oh, we got ourselves a canary in a coal mine, my friend. Hey, Denise, you want to show him and I'll finish cooking the burgers with your son?
My brother's doing more to help me out now than he ever did when he was human. And I still hate to see him like this.
He's a phoner.
Yep. Yeah. He's like a little calf that broke off from the herd and got lost. On its own, he's nothing. He just sits there and waits for him to come back and find it, or else he dies. God, he hasn't been eaten. Come on, don't do this to me. If a flock passes within a mile or so, he starts coming to and acting up. The closer they are, the crazier he gets. That's why we got him covered up. We don't want him showing him where we are and bringing him down on us. God, come on, don't do this to me. Sometimes I think he can still recognize my voice.
You think they can be rehabbed?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Are you coming home? Are you coming home?
What the hell's going
Are
on?
you coming home?
I have no idea. He never said anything before.
Are you coming home? Are you coming home? Are you coming home? Are you coming home? I just want you to come home.
Johnny's voice.
No, it's not.
I just want you to come home.
Do not
Are you
listen to
coming
that
home?
shit.
I just
You
want
know that is not your son.
I just want you to come
Clay,
home.
no!
Hi, Dad.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He saw it. That means they saw it. You'll leave the rest of them to us. Come on. Hey, we all need to go now. Come on. Everybody to the truck. Clay, come on.
Why are we stopping, Ray?
You know, it's too late for me. It's too late for me because they're in my head. At first it was in my dreams, but now I'm seeing stuff when I'm awake, things that aren't there. Ah!
You haven't slept for a week. Maybe we're hallucinating.
I'm hallucinating because that asshole in the red hoodie is putting thoughts in my mind. And what the press wants, he's not going to get because you're not going to let him. They thought it was me, but it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It's you. He was wrong. You're the man, my artist. You are it.
What's that around your neck, Ray?
I don't like it that you're holding on to your kid because your kid is done. Your kid is done. You know it in your heart, but your kid is toast. Your kid is toast.
No, I don't. I don't know that.
Oh. Here. I'm passing the torch. I'm passing it on to you. When the time comes, call the number on the slip. You'll know the time. I hope you know the time.
What time is that, Ray?
The end of the road time. The end of the road. No other options.
Ray, what's that around your neck?
This, my friend, this is gonna
Ray?
This is gonna blow my mind. You better step away, my friend.
Yeah.
Step away, Clay.
Stay here. I'll be back.
No. I'm going with you.
No. Just stay with them. I gotta do this alone. Johnny! Sharon!
Is that?
So what you got there?
That? Ray gave that to me. Right before he blew his head off. He told me to call the number when the time came.
When the time came?
Uh-huh.
When's that?
Last stop. End of the line.
That's what he said?
That's what he said. Seemed like a reasonable man.
Did you know there was a bomb in there?
No, or I wouldn't have ridden in it.
So did Ray tell you this thing was full of C4? There's enough plastic in there to blow up this whole fucking block.
Oh my God.
Here. This is Sharon's wagon. It's in the garage. I'm going to Kashwak.
Are you out of your mind? Did you not hear what Denise said?
It's a trap. We've been through this.
Maybe.
Come on, man. If you go in there, you're not coming out. It's a suicide mission. You're gonna die.
I gotta find my kid. I gotta know one way or the other.
God damn.
Take this. I want you to spray paint TJ&D for Tom, Jordan, and Denise on the side of the road. Every couple miles, if you go off-road, dirt road, put it up on a tree. Always on the left-hand side of the road, because that's where I'll be looking.
Look, don't go. It's stupid. You're gonna die.
Hey, remember the story of Orpheus, buddy? Orpheus traveled to the underworld, find his loved one, bring him back to Earth.
You're not Orpheus.
Take care of yourself, brother. Be right behind you. All right. Take care of Tom. You know, you're about the best friend anybody could ever have at the end of the world.
Yeah, let's hope it's not quite the end. Good knowing you, Clay Riddell.
Good to know you, Tom McCourt. Take care.
You better find us.
Sorry about your wife. Look, Dad, there's another.
Mm-hmm. I'm so glad you're going to meet my friends, Johnny.
Are they going to be my friends too?
You bet.
What's the name of the place we're going?
Canada.
Be afraid of the dark. Walk on.